Hey everyone, ever uploaded an image on WordPress and struggled to center it perfectly? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make your images look flawless and perfectly aligned every time. Step 1. Click on the image you want to center. On the toolbar above, hit the alignment icon and select center. Boom. That's it for basic alignment. But wait, what if it's still off? No problem. Head to the block settings on the right and check the positioning options. Choose Align Center under Layout to ensure perfection. Now your images are looking sharp and professional. If this tip saved you time, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress hacks. Thanks for watching.